how you can track your order in Pandabuy. Now this process is really helpful. You can know where your product is and in what process of shipment it's on. So before I teach you guys how to do this, if you're new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm just using Google Chrome, and go to pandabuy.com. Now, after you go to pandabuy.com, don't forget to log in. After you've logged in, just hover on to your account button right here. There you'll see the user center. Tap on user center. Now, after you're on user center, just tap on this order button right here. Now in this section, you'll be able to see all of your orders right here. I don't really have any order right now, so it's not available. And after that, you can see the option that says order right here. Just click on that option. And after you click on that, you will be redirected to a new page. Now on that new page, you will be able to see in what process your order is, what's its status. Is it processing? Is it purchased? Is it shipped? Or has it arrived? Or it's in storage? Now those are the 5 processes your order travels through. So you'll be able to see where it is and track it. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you track your order on Pandabuy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.